If you had a system that could make $500 a day while you sleep, would you still be grinding 9 to 5? Because $500 a day isn't luck, it's leverage. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how to build it from zero. The $15,000 a month reality check. Let's break something down real quick. $15,000 a month sounds wild until you realize it's just $500 per day. And no, that doesn't mean working harder. It means building income systems, not jobs. Most people are stuck trading time for money. What we're doing instead is building digital assets, things that keep paying even when you log off. AI didn't replace opportunity, it removed the barriers. No team, no advanced skills, no insane startup capital, just leverage. And if you're thinking, yeah, but this only works for other people, pause right there, because thousands of people are already doing this after learning the exact systems I'm about to show you. Quick reminder, if you want more strategies like this, hit subscribe now, because every video on this channel is built to move you closer to real income, not hype. Rehook. Now here's where most people completely mess this up. AI is not the business, this is the shift. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They think AI itself is the business. It's not. AI is leverage, not the product. Typing random prompts into ChatGPT and calling it a strategy, that's entertainment, not income. Real leverage happens when AI multiplies your output, automates your workload, and removes bottlenecks. Before AI, you needed time, skills, or a team. Now, AI gives you all three instantly: research, design, copywriting, automation. But here's the difference between people making money and everyone else. Winners build systems, losers chase tools. That's why I'm not just showing you software, I'm showing you repeatable systems that scale while you live your life. Rehook. And there are only two AI business paths you need to understand. The two AI income paths: simple, repeatable. Every successful AI business today falls into one of two lanes. 1, physical products without inventory. 2, digital products without creation burnout. Different products, same exact system. Both follow this flow. 1, find demand. 2, build the platform. 3, create marketing content. 4, automate everything. AI handles the heavy lifting. Once you understand this framework, you can copy-paste it into multiple income streams. That's how people stop relying on one paycheck. If this framework is already clicking, subscribe now, because this channel is literally built around duplicating systems like this. Rehook. Let's start with the physical product route, the lazy way. AI-built e-commerce, no inventory, no stress. Imagine launching an online store without stocking products, packing orders, or shipping anything. That's exactly what AI-generated stores do. Instead of guessing what to sell, AI analyzes real-time market data to find profitable niches, select high-demand products, and build a ready-to-sell store in minutes. The store is done for you. The products are already proven. The suppliers fulfill orders automatically. You focus on traffic and growth, not logistics. This isn't drop shipping chaos. This is systemized e-commerce. Rehook. But automation is where this really gets unfair. Full automation. Why this scales. Once the store is live, automation takes over. Product sourcing, order fulfillment, customer updates, price adjustments. Even branding, logos, and custom product variations can be layered in as you scale. You preload a balance, AI places orders, suppliers ship, customers get updates. You don't touch a thing. This is why people can run stores like this on the side or stack multiple ones. Pause real quick. If you're seeing how powerful this is, make sure you're subscribed. Missing one video here can literally cost you months of progress. Rehook. And if physical products aren't your thing, this second option might be even better. Digital products, built and marketed by AI. Now let's talk digital products. Normally, this means months of writing, overthinking, and never launching. AI kills all of that. Instead of building from scratch, AI identifies profitable niches, generates the product content, places it into proven templates, and creates marketing content for you. Threads, carousels, faceless posts, all done for you. One tool, one workflow, one system. This is how people sell ebooks, templates, guides, courses, without being creators 24/7. Rehook. So now you have two income engines, and here's the real play. The smart play. Stacking systems. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't have to choose. Many people, including me, run both models at the same time. Why? Because smart income isn't about effort, it's about leverage stacking. I tried working hard. Long hours, school, traditional jobs. That wasn't freedom. This is working smart. And yeah, I failed more times than I can count before it clicked. That's normal. Most people aren't failing because they're bad. They're failing because their marketing system is broken. That's why I focus so heavily on organic marketing on this channel. Final rehook. This world is changing fast, and the people who win aren't the smartest. They're the ones who move early and stay consistent. If you're watching this, you're already ahead. Subscribe so you don't miss the next system breakdown. Check the free resources linked below and start building something that pays you even when you stop working. You've got this. I'll see you in the next one.
If you're ready for more real talk about getting video, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell.